Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix overheating on iPhone 17. So first things first, it is completely normal for your phone to heat, especially while you're charging it and using the fast charging, but you can minimize that. So for first thing is to take off the case of your phone while you're charging it. And when you charge it, don't use your phone. In the case when you're not charging it and your phone is overheating, then first try to unlock it, okay? Go into quick settings and disable everything that you're not currently using. So I'm not using Bluetooth, but it is disabled. And I'm not using the Wi-Fi, so I will disable it too. If you're not using any of these options, just enable the airplane mode. Then go into the settings, battery, here power mode, and enable low power mode and adaptive power. Here, close all your background apps. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.